Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in last class we have discussed about the topic trigonometry and some specific angles of T ratio. Today I am going to start new topic, complementary angle, T ratio of complementary angle. Dear students, we know that sum of two angles is known as complementary angle. Suppose given ABC is a triangle and at B is 90 degree, then angle A plus C equal to 90 degree. If angle A, then side opposite to angle A is BC and adjacent side is AB. Then other T ratios, sin A P by B, that means BC by AC, P by H, cos A equal to B by H, that means AB by AC, tan A equal to P by B, that means BC by AB. So dear friends, in triangle ABC, B 90 degree, A plus C equal to 90 degree. Then A plus C equal to 90 degree. Then sin A equal to BC by AC, cos A equal to AB by AC, and tan A equal to BC by AC. And cot A equal to a reciprocal of tan A, that means AB by BC. Sec A equal to reciprocal of cos A, AC by AB, and cosec A equal to reciprocal of sin A, that means AC by BC. Now T ratio of an angle C. If A plus C equal to 90 degree, then C equal to 90 degree minus A. Since B is 90 degree and A plus C equal to 90 degree, so angle C equal to 90 minus A. Now T ratio of an angle C, that means side opposite to angle C is AB, adjacent side is BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So now sin A, that means sin C equal to AB by BC, sin C equal to, sin C means sin 90 minus A, sin 90 minus A equal to AB by AC, cos, and cos 90 minus A equal to BC by AC, adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan 90 minus A equal to P by B, that means AB by BC. Cosec 90 minus A equal to reciprocal of sin A, that means AC by AB. Sec 90 minus A equal to reciprocal of cos A, that means AC by BC. And cot 90 minus A equal to reciprocal of tan, that means BC by AB. So first you find with angle A all T ratios, sin, cos, tan, cosec, and for angle C find all T ratio. For angle C means 90 minus A, and compare. This is equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. We observe that sin 90 minus A equal to AB by AC. AB by AC equal to cos A, AB by AC. So sin 90 minus A equal to AB by AC equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A equal to BC by AC. BC by AC equal to sin A. So cos 90 minus A equal to BC by AC equal to sin A. Similarly, tan 90 minus A equal to AB by BC. AB by BC equal to cot A. So tan 90 minus A equal to AB by BC equal to cot A. And cot 90 minus A equal to cot 90 minus A equal to BC by AB. BC by AB equal to tan A. Sec 90 minus A equal to AC by BC, and AC by BC equal to here cosec A. So sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A, and cosec 90 minus A equal to AC by AB, and AC by AB equal to sec A. So we observe that sin 90 minus A equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A equal to cot A, cot A 90 minus A equal to tan A, sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A, and cosec A 90 minus A equal to sec A. So all T ratio with angle A and C. Let us move to exercise 8.3. Now question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Evaluate sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. They send sin 80 degree. We know that sin 18 degree equal to 90 degree minus 72 degree. 90 minus 72, 18 by cos 72 degree. And sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, and here theta is 72. So cos 72 by cos 72, that is equal to 1. This is your answer. And next question is, question 2 is, so that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 equal to 1. So now LHS tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. This stands tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 is written as tan 90 degree minus 48 degree, and tan 67 is written as tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. 90 minus 23 is 67, and 90 minus 48 is 42. Now tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 90 minus A, that is cot A. Cot A, that means 48. So cot 48 degree, and tan 90 minus A equal to cot A, that is cot 23 degree. This sense, tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree. Cot 48 is written as 1 by tan 48, since reciprocal of cot A is tan A, and cot 23 is 1 by tan 23. So tan 23 cancel, tan 48 cancel, 1. RHS proved. So dear students, you solve the next question or other question in same way using T ratio of complementary angle. So today's class is over, and your homework is do examples and exercise 8.3, question number 1 and 2 only. Thanks, have a nice day.